Training Aliens is elementary story-based social and emotional skills curriculum that is meant to be taught in a family, co-op group, or classroom. A teacher or a strong reader will read a 5-minute story about what happens at space camp when the aliens' behavior is a problem. Students are given two options for space camp staff to use in managing the behavior. Both are common, but both are ineffective, which students will learn when you read them the humorous consequences of using both options. After reading the story, then teachers will turn to the corresponding mission in one of two mission manuals. There is a faith-based mission manual that uses Bible stories and scripture along with many other activities to teach the skill, or a secular version that uses fables and quotes to teach the skill. Otherwise, the training manuals are exactly the same. You will turn to the corresponding mission in the mission manual, and the first thing you will do is read a letter from Space Camp staff. Every mission is divided into 3 steps that can be completed on 3 separate days, or you can pick and choose from the activities that can make up one training day. The activities will include a video course training that is a part of the curriculum. You will get access to that when you purchase. Students will also be participating in games and role-playing, dramatization, and fun space camp activities that will truly engage them.